Hi, welcome to Simple English YouTube channel. Today our topic is, this is. Read after me. This is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. This is an ant. This is an ant. This is a bag. This is a bag. This is a banana. This is a banana. This is a beetroot. This is a beetroot. This is a bird. This is a bird. This is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. This is a book. This is a book. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. This is a bread. This is a bread. This is a bun. This is a bun. This is a butterfly. This is a butterfly. This is a carrot. This is a carrot. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. This is a chair. This is a chair. This is a classroom. This is a classroom. This is a cock. This is a cock. This is a college. This is a college. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a crow. This is a crow. This is a desk. This is a desk. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a door. This is a door. This is an eraser. This is an eraser. This is a flower. This is a flower. This is a hen. This is a hen. This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. This is a kite. This is a kite. This is a letter. This is a letter. This is a mango. This is a mango. This is a newspaper. This is a newspaper. This is a notice board. This is a notice board. This is an owl. This is an owl. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. This is a pawpaw. This is a pawpaw. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pineapple. This is a pineapple. This is a potato. This is a potato. This is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. This is a roof. This is a roof. This is a rose apple. This is a rose apple. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. This is a school. This is a school. This is a star. This is a star. This is a table. This is a table. This is a teacher. This is a teacher. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is a wall. This is a wall. This is a window. This is a window. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.